In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert an Excel file into a Confluence page. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload your spreadsheet and display it in the way that works best for your team. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add the Excel file and click Edit. The easiest way to add your spreadsheet is to drag and drop the Excel file directly onto the page. You can also click the Insert button in the toolbar, choose Files and Images, then browse your computer and select your Excel workbook. After the file uploads, click the attachment to choose how it will appear. You can display it as a link if you simply want people to download it, a card for a cleaner preview, or an inline preview so the spreadsheet is visible directly on the page. If you're using the inline preview, keep the most important information on the first worksheet since that's usually what's shown in the preview. This makes it easier for your team to review the data without opening the file separately. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish or Update to save your changes. That's all it takes to insert an Excel file into a Confluence page. Thanks for watching.